we've implemented some new technology at Adchem to try to recover more of their wastewater, being that a crossflow UF to recover their UF backwash water, and also a seawater RO plant to recover their reject water. But in there we've implemented some new technology membranes that allow us to recover more of that water as well. And the overall project has about a 96% recovery rate, quite significant. Osmoflow's vision is a circular future for water, sustainably driven. We want to try to recover and use every drop of water that we bring out of the ground. That's our focus, and that's what we continue to work towards.